Today we are cooking eforiro, that is vegetable soup with ugu and water leaf. I'm going to be showing you all the steps in the video, but if you want a full instruction of all the ingredients I use, you can check this video description on YouTube. Now let's start because I have better gist for you today. Everyone knows I'm on leave right now from work, and because of that, I've registered in a gym to start my workout routine because these fats, I gas burn them. There is this new neighbor of mine, a very fine, clean, dark, built, tall. He's pretty much crazy about fitness and healthy lifestyle. Well, so I thought. And we got talking based on the fact that, well, I goes to the gym, he also goes to the gym, though not the same gym, but just how was gym today? How was gym? Yeah, that's just how we got talking. And I noticed that I've been seeing different cars in the compound lately. If I see white car today, I'll see yellow Benz tomorrow. I couldn't help it but to ask myself who the car dealer is in this compound. Apart from the rishi cars I see, I noticed that this our new neighbor plays very loud music in the afternoon. Even if there is no power, if there is no light at all, you go and on generator and still play his very loud music. That makes me conclude that, well, this person is a Yahoo person. That's one. Oh. Two, before my leave, it is normal to hear ouch, ouch every night. Sometimes it happens in the middle of the night. You just be hearing ouch, 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 ouch. I remember one particular night. Everywhere was calm, there was light, it was not playing his loud music. And I was in my room, reminiscing about my day. And before I knew it, I started hearing pa, 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 pa. The lady was on top of her voice. I was like, is this thing even food? Can I have an intercourse-free night in this compound for once, for heaven's sake? They shanu me. Pity we the singles. Now that I'm on leave, something happened today. Oh. I came back from gym, and I was trying to put my shoe, the socks I wore, and my top outside so that sun will eliminate the odor. Now so I hear, what rubbish is that? Is it not supposed to be my turn? My ear quickly picked. I was like, turn, okay. What's going on here? The lady's voice continued. You gave me morning appointments, yet you have been busy with her inside since. Immediately, my brain connected and picked. I was like, again. Then I quickly walked gently out of sight. I stood at one corner listening attentively to the lady's voice. And before I knew it, I heard steps at the stairs. Apparently, it was the lady. Clearly pissed though. She was like, he knew I need him. He knows I want him. I was like, hey. Once he care. Hey, Chineke. No wonder, oh. This guy doesn't go to work. He plays loud music. We hear pleasurable sounds from his apartment. We see different cars in the compound. He is obsessed with his physique and workout. So his job is to service women. Hey! And you know what, guys? I remember my male colleagues and I talked about this scenario one day in the office like that. And they told me that some guys purposely go to the gym to look for female clients, especially on this island. I was like, they lie. Well, I don't see that one. But seeing what played out today with my neighbor, what they said is true. Anyway, my neighbor's way of life is none of my business for now. That doesn't mean if I see or hear any gist with him, I won't tell you guys. Hey, me, I like gist though. And my instinct says that there will be more with him. So stay tuned, guys. I will be back for more. I hope you've seen how we achieve this eforiro. Subscribe to my channel for more. I will see you soon with hot gists. Love you. Bye.